So today in this class we are going to discuss about objects. Now what are these objects? Now basically these objects are, we say that these are some entities or files. Now we have some storage and the storage is S3 bucket. Now in this S3 bucket we have stored various objects in which our data could be stored. So these objects are entities or files which contains our data. So an object can store virtually unlimited amount of data in any format, or it can save any data in any format. Now what is the capacity of this object? So I could say that one object can store from 0 byte to 5 terabytes of data. So a single object can store from 0 byte to 5 TB of data. So if I say that this one bucket contains unlimited amount of objects. Now we can assume the capacity of a complete bucket. So I can say that it can store virtually unlimited amount of data. Now each object, that means each object consists of data. So if we have an object, so we call that it contains data. For example, file itself. And also it contains metadata. Now what is metadata? This is some information about file. Data, which is file itself, and information about a file, we call it as metadata. Now object, it is extremely like, what is data? It is stream of bytes. So we can say that object save various streams of file. Now Amazon S3 does not know or care what type of data we are storing, and service does not act differently for text data versus binary data. That means S3 do not have any information or they don't care about what type of data we are storing, and it does not act differently for binary data as well as for text data. Now if we talk about the metadata which is associated with Amazon S3 object, it is a set of name and value. So metadata is a set of name and value pairs which describes the complete object. So if we talk about the metadata, so we have two types of metadata. We have system metadata and we have user metadata. System metadata as well as user metadata. Now system metadata is created and used by Amazon S3 itself. It includes last modified date, object size, what is HTTP context. That means it is used by system metadata used by S3, which includes last modified date, HTTP expects, extra. Now, user metadata is optional. Now, we can custom metadata to tag your data attributes which are meaningful. For example, we have some attributes. So, with user metadata, we can define attributes with data also because this is user specific. So, this is about objects which is there in Amazon S3. Thank you so much.